How to get Subway Infinity Craft in Subway Surfer. In this video, we'll be diving into Subway Surfer and discussing the Subway Infinity Craft. Let's get started. Open your Subway Surfer. First up, there is no actual Subway Infinity Craft in Subway Surfer. The game is all about running, dodging obstacles, and collecting coins in different cities, not crafting items. However, you can unlock new cities and characters by playing, collecting coins, and competing events. The game always has special events that bring fresh content. To earn coins and keys for unlocking things like hoverboards and characters. You will need to keep playing and completing missions during your runs. Also use power-ups like jetpacks and super sneakers to boost your performance and rack up your new rewards. And that's all for today. Remember, Subway Surfer isn't about crafting. It's endless running and having fun in new cities.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.